What up, guys? I'm trying to do a night vlog because I like giving you guys night vlogs because riding at night is cool in town. However, the camera doesn't agree with my headlight, so you might not pick it up too hot. So I'm gonna try and stick to well-lit areas. So, I mean, I got daymakers on this bitch. It's fucking bright as hell, but you know how it'd be. A lot of drunk people out today because it's Saturday night at 10 o'clock. There's gonna be some drunkies. I stay with a fifth, or not even a fifth, I stay with a pint of fucking Southern Comfort in my saddlebag. It's a nice old bug. You know, if you're on Western Avenue, which is like downtown, fucking public strip or whatever, then you don't have a thing open, kind of dumb. It'd be pretty cool to get a picture with like the Amazon building in the background, or Waterstone, whatever the hell that's supposed to end up being. But everywhere that would be parking is like either taken or really hard to like see it, you know? I see people look at me, I give the rev. I'm a very simple man. If you want me to rev, just look at me. Although people would probably think I am drunk at that point, which I am not. I haven't even drank today, except for like water. I know I forgot my turn signal there. Sue me. So there's just something weird about being in town at night. Like, not like people are weird, but like it's just warmer here. Because out in the sticks, boonies, where there's not as many like lights and stuff, it's colder. Like, is it because there's more pollution here, more exhaust, more lights on or something? But it's just warmer out here. Like, I know I'm wearing a hoodie and stuff, but no, I'd probably still wear a hoodie, but it ain't that bad out here, which is like weird to me. I'm cool with it though, because I'm comfortable at this temperature, but it just hits differently. And it's weird looking up, seeing no stars. Like, there's like 2. Normally by this time of night there's like a shit ton of them out. This is a very well lit road. Or street light, oh my god, street light wise, oh my. Bump bump. This is a base model Dodge. I'm not talking down on base model Dodge owners, but I know a lot of y'all like to fucking pretend that it is a big deal. There's a cop behind me too. I take off nice. Maybe I should get gas somewhere, just to like send home that I'm not going to speed with a cop behind me. Let him deal with the car in front of me. Wesco's right there, so. Hello, Wesco, I love you. I guess this guy's also going to love on Wesco too. Yeah, getting gas is a good idea. Psych, I ain't getting gas. I just wanted to get from behind the cop. Hehehe. Motherfuckers. I got a half tank. I ain't gotta stop. Woo! I just didn't want to have a cop behind me. Woo! So I know it makes the bike seem sketchier, but I like not having to worry about what's behind me in case I go like 2 over and they're having a bad day. I'd rather not get pulled over for going slow. Ta-da, I'm in 3rd gear now. Let's see where he went. Did he go there? No. Fuck. He didn't go there either. He's probably still going up ahead straight here. Need to readjust my clutch. Look at the play. Okay, so maybe I was wrong about how well lit this is, but like, look at my brights. They're good, and I shut them off because there's traffic. And I can't see shit again. Hopefully my lovely voice and exhilarating commentary will keep you guys around. Brights! Well, I can see shit again. I can still see shit with the brights off, it's just y'all can't see anything on the camera. Oh shit, there's cops galore there. That is where they were going. Damn! Probably some kids doing something stupid. See, this part here is very well lit. I can turn my brights off and you'll still see shit. Damn, Dr. Seuss up in here now. Night riding is beautiful. Could really do without all the dumbasses out at night though. Same as during the day, I guess. I don't know, there's just a lot of dumbasses out all the time. Believe me. Let me just turn around here. Whip me a Yui. I got like a sore in my mouth from my wisdom teeth coming in. Kind of hurts a little bit, eh? That's okay, that's what Southern Comfort's for, right? Splash a little bit of that cinnamon bourbon on there, liquor or whatever you want to call it. Burn it to death, call it a day. You know, I would hate to have to live on like main road like this. Like, it would be cool if it wasn't so lit up all the time, but you know, I think I get old after a while, always having the lights on. Like I said though, it's kind of cool being able to ride through it, but I don't think I would ever want to live here. Unless my room was at the very back. Or if I had some really good curtains to like drown out the light. I mean, like, I ain't got nothing against street lights, but back there it's so well lit just for people to just walk around because the bar's open late and there's some other stuff open late down there, you know. It just seems like a hassle to me. This bike sounds so aggressive though. Like, I just want to point that out. Like, I caught it off the curb for a second there and it just sounds so mean. I need someone to like hold a camera so I can do a flyby or something, you know what I mean? So there's no way in hell I'm putting my fucking GoPro on the pavement for me to do a flyby. It will be gone when I come back. So I need like someone, a friend of mine, anybody out there, to hold it so I can do a ride-by, you know what I mean? Because I kind of want to catch what my bike sounds like in RPM instead of at idle. And revving is not the same as like going, you know? I will say that right now. There is a major difference between this and like actually getting into the RPMs. See what I mean? Big difference. It's kind of like pulling the trigger on a gun without a bullet in it versus with a bullet in it, you know? Like, you're still gonna get the click, but with the bullet in it, you're gonna get a click, boom, you know what I mean? If that even made sense at all to you guys. You know, I wouldn't mind eating out there one of these times, but it looks like a bitch to get in and out of there. Also, ouch. That's bright as fuck. God damn. I can't see. I can't fucking see. Fuck it, I think we're good. I could not say shit there, officer. I'm sorry. Not even a cop around. I was just saying that to be funny. I promise you. I promise. Ooh. I think all the cops are back there at the VFW, to be honest. That was a lot of them. Holy shit. I'm gonna turn the brights on. See, look at that. Not a big difference from the handlebars sideways. Cause I'm trying to go. Come on, cars. Let's go. Go, go. Come out. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Because I don't know how much... Yo, I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but my Sena was still on, and I heard me going, yes, yes, and it said previous. I did not say previous, I said yes. Let me turn that off. That's what I just did with my bar, you know, right there. Whoa, we're back in the little world of street lamps.